This short skit is an interpretation of Bob and Felipe's adventure.
Take one.
Take one.
Game on.
Hey, Bob. Hey, Felipe. So I walk outside today of my house. Hold on. And I walk by my tree. And you know what I saw out there?
Oh, what you see? What you see, lad?
I looked high up on the wall and I saw 3 butterflies floating around.
Where'd you see 'em at? Up on that wall right there? That wall?
Yeah, can you see them butterflies up there? Well, and I says to myself, this gonna be a good day. I've been seeing them butterflies up there.
Yeah, lad, yeah. They're big and there's 3 and 3 is lucky. 3 is lucky. So then I decide, guess what I'm gonna do today? What you gonna do today? I decide I'm gonna hop in my boat. So I get my boat and I hop in my boat and I take my boat across the water. And I get halfway and all of a sudden I notice some really big fish. And they're swimming right at me. Oh no, what'd you do, Bob? Well, Felipe, I got out my gun and I shot it. And it didn't work. So then I got out my sword and I whacked him out. Just like that. And that worked. But then, wouldn't you know, just when I thought I was right at the end of the ship, these big clams came over, like so. And I thought they were going to eat me. Oh no, what'd you do, Bob? What'd you do? Well, Batman flew in. Ooh, swooped in and just knocked him right out of there. It was a crazy day. Yeah. And guess what was the biggest of all? What was the biggest of all? Well, I was standing right in the middle of the road, and before I knew it, I turned around and looked at my butterflies up there on the wall. Yes, those are nice butterflies. And I was looking at the butterflies, and I noticed, I heard someone from the dock yell, "Incoming!" I said, "Incoming what? What are you talking about?" And they said, "Incoming!" And I said, "What?" They said, "Hit the blue funnel!" Oh, for Christ's sake. And I said, and that was the end of my day.